Wix.com tutorial: how to add a privacy policy page to your Wix website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can simply create a website on Wix and how we can create a privacy policy page on our Wix website. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you'll simply go to wix.com and you will land on this platform right here. Wix is one of the very famous website builders out there where we can create our own professional websites. We can create our online store, portfolios, blogs, and more. When it comes to Wix, we can create different pages, we can customize our website the way we want to. So, to get started with Wix, you simply enter your email address and you click on Start Now. You will be able to sign up. So I have logged into my Wix. This is my manage.wix.com and I will be able to check all my websites right here. So today I will show you how to add a privacy policy page to your Wix website that you're creating. So to start with the process, what you can do is you can either create a brand new website or you can edit a website that you were already creating. So I have all of these different websites I am working on, and let's add a privacy policy page to this one. So also, to create a brand new website, it's very easy. You simply click on create new site, and after that you just simply have to choose from the platform. You can go with Wix or Editor X. I am going to be editing the website on Wix. Wix and Editor X are quite similar, same thing, but with Editor X we add it in layers. So if you want to add it in layers, then you will go with Editor X. After that, you will choose what kind of website you're creating. So let's say that you're creating a simple blog and then you want to add a privacy policy page to that. Okay, so simply click on next and then it will take you to your templates. So on Wix we get hundreds of different templates to choose from, and we can simply go ahead and customize a template the way we want to. You can see right here, you can go with an automatic website or edit a template. I will click on edit a template, and now we simply choose from a template right here. You can see all the templates look pretty impressive, and I can go with any of these. So each of these templates will have its own pages and on different elements. We can edit the elements, we can edit the pages, and we will be adding a privacy policy page. So now everything is very simple. You simply click on edit and it takes you to your own editor right here on Wix. So this is where we work. This is one of the templates that I have selected. This is one of my blogs that I'm creating on Wix. So we will be creating a privacy policy page to it, and I also showed you how to create a website, how to get started with Wix. Once you are in the editor, then you will find this menu right here. So we have add option. Add option allows us to add different elements to our website right here. I can add text, button, decoratives, social, blog, store, bookings, events, gallery, whatever I want to add, we add from here. Then we have the pages option that allows us to add new pages. This is where we will be working. Then we have site design, apps, media, my blog, and my store. So if we go to pages, and in pages, what I can do is I can go to site menu, and these are all different pages available. I will simply click on add page. So when we click on add page, then it takes us to this add page option, and in here I can start from the scratch and create a page, or I can go for different templates available here. So we have services, projects, contact, landing pages, booking, pricing plans, and dynamic pages. And we can simply scroll in between these different pages and we can select what kind of page we want to add. So for the privacy policy page, what we can do is we can simply start from a blank page, because that will be better. We just want to add a text. It will be a simple page. Once you click on add new page, then it will just take a second to load your brand new page. So this is my page now. You can see there is nothing here. I can just close the menu, and right now this is my blank page. Again, it has my basic footer and header for the page. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm creating a privacy policy. So what I will do is I will simply go to add option right here, and from add I will simply go to text, go to add heading. I will add a heading for my page and I will actually call it privacy policy. I will simply now decrease the size, and I think this size is pretty good. Now I will place it right here in the middle. There you go. So this is going to be our privacy policy. I can actually go ahead and actually edit the font as well and actually select a more, straight font. So let's go with this one. All right. Next thing that you need to do is simply go to add again. And because privacy policy is just simply a text, so then we add paragraphs. You can simply go with any of the paragraphs from here. I'm going to select this one and a new element will be added here. So I will place it in here, and again, we can click on edit text, remove this text, and just paste your privacy policy that you have written for your page. So I'm going to paste my privacy policy here really quickly. There you go. And now I will adjust the size, of course, according to the size of my page. And you can see, there you go. So this is my first point. And similarly, I can add different headings to my different paragraphs as well. Let's say my next paragraph is what information we get from you guys. So I will simply go to add and select a heading really quickly and place the heading right here. Again, click on edit text, change the alignment and the size. So this is my next heading, and I will again click on add a paragraph, place it right here, click on edit text, paste my privacy policy again, and adjust the size and everything. So once you've added your privacy policy, this is what it will look like. And then of course you can change the font according to you. You can change the size, everything. And privacy policy page is a simple text, so it's very easy to create this page. Once it's done, you will simply click on save and your page will be saved on your website. And then we can publish our website. One thing that you need to do is simply go to your pages again, and in site menu you will see this says new page. Actually, I will drag it and drop it right here, and then I will simply click on these three dots, rename the page to privacy policy. And then I will also get other options such as settings, duplicate, copy, or set as a home page. You can also see that now my page has been added to my site menu. You can see privacy policy. So if I want to access the page, I will simply click right here and it is added to my navigation bar. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.